Hey, everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're diving into a common issue that many Xfinity users encounter, the dreaded Xfinity Cable Box not working. But don't worry, we've got you covered with some troubleshooting tips to get your entertainment back on track. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our helpful tech guides. So, you're settling in for a cozy movie night, ready to binge watch your favorite shows, and suddenly, your Xfinity Cable Box decides to act up. It's frustrating, but fear not, let's jump into some solutions. Step 1. Check connections. The first thing you want to do is make sure all your cables are securely connected. Check both ends of the power cable, HDMI, and any other relevant connections. Sometimes, a loose cable could be the culprit. Step 2. Power cycle. If your connections seem fine, try the classic power cycle. Unplug your Xfinity Cable Box from the power source, wait about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. This can often resolve minor glitches and give your device a fresh start. Step 3. Remote control check. Next up, let's check your remote control. Ensure the batteries are working and properly inserted. If your remote is unresponsive, it might be time to replace the batteries or even consider reprogramming it. The Xfinity website has easy-to-follow instructions for this. Step 4. Signal strength. Sometimes, it's not the box itself, but the signal. Check if other devices connected to your TV are working fine. If they are, the issue may be specific to your Xfinity box. If not, it might be a broader service outage, and you'll want to contact Xfinity customer support for assistance. Step 5. Software updates. Software glitches can also cause issues. Make sure your Xfinity box is running the latest software version. You can do this by navigating to the settings menu on your box. If an update is available, install it and see if that resolves the problem. Conclusion. And there you have it. A quick guide on how to troubleshoot when your Xfinity Cable Box is not working. Remember, if all else fails, don't hesitate to reach out to Xfinity's customer support for further assistance. We hope this video helps you get back to enjoying your favorite shows and movies hassle-free. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and share your own troubleshooting experiences in the comments below. Until next time, stay connected and stay techy.